So guys, many of you ask me how to make money with pocket option. How can I learn the right strategy? How does it work really? Where can I learn it? How do you do your trading? In this video, I will explain you my system with my secret tips, how I read these candles and how I find the right entry point for binary trading. This is binaryoptions.com. And many of you ask me always all the time, how can I learn it as beginner from the start? How do I do it? And I have to mention, if you are a real beginner, it's much better. It's much better than if you have a lot experience, because if you have learned a lot about trading, some stuff, mostly you will learn wrong and unnecessary information. So if you're a beginner and you are new to it, you can directly adapt the system which I'm using. So it's much more better and you learn it quickly than most of the experienced trader. But if you don't understand this video, if you don't understand the system, please go back and watch this video again. Maybe you have to watch it 2 times, maybe you have to watch it 3 times. But overall, after that watching time, it will make sense to you and you will see the system behind my trading. So what I'm doing here is I'm here on Pocket Option, my main brokerage on the euro dollar. Euro dollar is for me the best chart for trading these short-term options. You can also use some other charts, but euro dollar very good. And now I'm seeing here one trade opportunity. I will go, I don't see it right now. Let me check. No, I will not use this opportunity, but I saw it might happen here that I go in here, but yeah, I will stop. Okay, let me explain for you the first rule. What I'm doing here. The first rule is I'm concentrating on the current price here. That area is where I'm concentrating. If I'm searching for trades, I don't look here so much. This is not interesting. It's all in the past and it's unnecessary information. Let's say like this. I don't watch here. I watch here in the current movement, and this is very important. You will have much better trades if you focus on the current price movement and then do your trade. Very important. And if you don't understand it, you will see it when I pick my live trade. When I find my trade opportunity, then you will see it why I'm focusing on the current moment. The second step is I'm searching for very important points in the market. That means these are highs and lows. Let me change it. What's very important, I can also go to the 5-minute chart. And here, what's important for me, here we have the low, we have here the highs, low, low, low. And these are the most important areas for my trading, highs and lows. And if I'm using highs and lows, I can also say this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. We follow the simple principle, higher high, lower low, and it's a trend. So that means here we have a higher high, we have a higher low, lower high, lower low, and that means we have a trend. But if we see this here, here's a strong resistance, the market should break this strong resistance, and then we have actually a strong trend. So this is where I'm focusing on, and I'm choosing my support levels and resistance levels on the highs and lows. This is very important. You need nothing else, just the highs and lows, and then you have to wait how the market is reacting there, what the market is doing here, and we will switch back to it. And we see we have here a low, we have here a high, and now the market is quite in a, let's say, in a not good situation. here it's, yeah, we can go in here. I go in here because I see directly the trade opportunity. Here we have the resistance, the red line. And now look here where I'm focusing. What is the market is doing? The market is doing like this, drops from the hour resistance, comes back, drops again. And now where is the focus? Where is the focus? I told you guys, the focus is on the candle before, which I'm using for my entry. So what's happening here is that it goes red, red, red. Next candle goes green, gets rejected, and then the trend is following. Oh, now I see, mate, I'm losing. No, you don't lose this one. But this candle was very important for me, guys. This one, very important for me. And what is it showing to me? It shows that we have, first of all, the setup is clear. We want to trade down. Also, the trend is down, but we wait for the momentum. If the market makes a pullback, gets rejected, we go in and have our trade. You can use this principle on ranges. I will also make a video on range trading for you and in trends. But here at the moment, the market is not so beautiful. So not the best examples for you, but that's how I'm trading. So I can repeat it for you. First of all, what I'm using, where I'm focusing on the current price, then I'm detecting the support and resistance level, and now I'm waiting with the trend for the entry. Simple as that. And I'm using the wicks for our entry. These are nice wicks. And if a wick is appearing, we know the market is pushing in one direction. It gets rejected. Now we see here, nice opportunity to trade long. Again, here we are in a range. I'm not so satisfied with it. We see the market gets pushed down again. A new wick is forming, and we can go in here. I try it with the next candle. We go in. You see this? Even if we got the wick here, the market is dropping. This one very important. We got our 80% win. Yeah, and this is basically the system, the secret behind it. You don't have to use indicators, or some bullshit indicators are real bullshit. Even if I made a video about it, indicators are really bullshit. You don't need it. You just need the price action. You need the current price, the price levels, and then you have your best trades and make money. No indicator can show you this. No indicator can show you this entry here, which I've taken. No indicator will show it to you. So 2 trades we won because we get nice rejection from the selling side here. Not the best trade because we got also rejection from the buying side, because the market is like this now. This is not so good for trading. The best thing is if the market is running very clean and you see here nice opportunities here to short, or here if the market is very clean. So basically that's it, and I wouldn't go in here now. This is very bullshit here. Let me check another chart. Also not so beautiful. Let me check out what we got here. Here we see a rejection from above, but this is clearly an uptrend. If we got a rejection from here like this, I definitely would go long, 100% for a right entry. So, guys, I hope you now understand the system which I'm using, very simple. And you can use this also for your trading. So these wicks are our entry. And you need to detect the trend where the market is moving at the moment. Are we at a critical level or not? Are we in a trend or not? That's why you need to focus on these structures. High, higher high, low, higher low, right? And then you got your trades right. Very simple, but the most of you guys get it wrong, and then you wonder why you can't make money with it, because you have a lack of this understanding, and you need to train it. You need to train it really. See where the wicks are, where's the market rejecting, and you see it here, right? Wicks, 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 and then the market is moving, and more wicks, wicks, wicks moving. We got our entries. Yeah, seems like the uptrend will continue. So maybe we have another trade here. If the market goes up, then makes a pullback with a wick, we go up. Simple as that. Now we have the breakout. I'm sure the market will go up here, like here. So we can wait here for the next trade. I want to do another trade, but no opportunity at the moment in these markets. Now let's watch out what we're seeing here. The support level gets run down again. Direct rejection after a new high. Do the buyers come in here? Not, it doesn't look like this. If it makes a wick below, maybe we can go in, but I'm waiting now here for the right entry point. For a better overview, you can also switch to the higher time frames, and you can see what's happening here. We have wicks, wicks, wicks. Yeah, nothing to trade here. Nothing big. Can go in here, we can do a short trade. against the trend. Why? Because this is not strong enough. Another way to see the market is how it breaks the levels, and we see the break definitely here, but this is not strong. It gets directly rejected and yeah, fucked up here. So we go in a short trade. Here, see it. Rejection, then comes the candle, the small pippy candle here with a wick, and we trade down. Do we got our trade? Yeah, guys, we got it. So that's our trading. We go in here again. Saw it. Come on. Seems like the buyer is pushing again with this wick. Here's the opportunity to trade long and short. But okay, this long trade wasn't good, so we lost this one. My failure, I shouldn't take this one. This rejection is too strong, and for a long trade, no opportunity. So, but I don't care. I won 3 in a row. We lost this one. This was my failure. You have it sometimes. You make just mistakes. So you see it like it happens. But yeah, overall in profit. I'm out now for the session. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.